Have you ever pondered on how the food you consume daily might be impacting your gut health? It's a question that's often overlooked, but it holds paramount significance. Our gut, a largely unseen guardian, plays a critical role in our overall well-being. Its health hinges on what we put on our plates every day. From the most common meals to seemingly harmless snacks, every morsel we ingest has an effect. As we move forward, we will unveil the unseen damage certain foods inflict on our gut. Everyday foods, while seemingly harmless, can secretly sabotage your gut health. Let's take a closer look at this covert operation that's happening right under our noses. You see, our gut is home to an entire ecosystem of bacteria, good and bad. The balance of this bacterial population is critical to our health. But some foods we consume daily can disrupt this balance, triggering a chain of events that lead to health issues. Let's start with processed meats. Yes, that includes your favorite hot dogs and bacon. These meats are often loaded with preservatives and ingredients that bacteria in our gut find hard to break down, leading to an imbalance. Next, we have the sweet culprit, sugary drinks. These liquid candies are a feast for bad bacteria, encouraging their growth and causing inflammation. This can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even more serious digestive issues. And don't forget about high-fat foods. While fats are essential for our body, consuming too much, especially of the wrong types, can wreak havoc on our gut. These foods are harder to digest and can lead to excess bad bacteria, causing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. So while these foods might be part of your everyday routine, they could be silently causing harm to your gut health. But fear not. With the right knowledge and mindful eating, you can maintain a healthier gut. To protect your gut, it is crucial to be aware of these hidden threats lurking in your daily meals. Now that you understand the potential hazards of everyday foods to your gut health, you might be wondering what you can do. Your gut, often referred to as your second brain, plays a pivotal role in your overall health. It's not just about avoiding harmful foods, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes gut health. This may involve incorporating more fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and plenty of hydration into your daily routine. The journey to better gut health can seem daunting, but you're not alone. This channel is committed to providing you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies for healthier living. We delve into the science, debunk common myths, and offer practical advice to help you make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every small change you make brings you one step closer to better gut health. Help us spread the word about gut health. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Together we can make a difference for better gut health.